Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to enable dark mode in Google Sheets. So without wasting your time, let's get started. You can see I have not enabled dark mode and this is light theme. But if I want to enable dark mode here, I will have to click on plus icon and here search for Chrome web browser, Chrome web store. And here you have to search for dark mode night eye and press enter, and here first extension appear, click on it and you have to just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension, and this will be automatically added. And now you have to just refresh and you can see our Google Sheets has been changed to dark mode. So guys, in this way you can enable dark mode in your Google Sheets. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.